This is our Micro850 controller. This is a micro PLC that is targeted towards simple machine applications. The Micro850 is essentially the same as the Micro830 in the sense that, for example, it has the same embedded USB port that can be used to connect up to our Connected Component Workbench software running on a PC, and also has the same embedded serial port. It also has the same embedded high-speed inputs and outputs that can be used to up to 3 axes of motion at release 2. And the same plugins that are used with the 830 are used with the 850. Like, for example, if the customer needs additional functionality, like more analog inputs, they can just simply plug it in to the front of the controller. Now for the key differentiators between the 830 and the 850. The 850 has an additional embedded Ethernet port. This is a higher performance communications interface that can be used, for example, for program download or for connecting up to our panel view component HMI. The other key difference is the expansion I/O on the right side of the controller. The user can add up to 4 expansion I/O modules for a maximum of 132 digital I/O points. This allows the Micro850 to do larger applications than just the Micro830.